Hi Sarah, thank you for your video. It's been a long time and it's nice that we're doing this again. I don't know, we're really bad at it. I don't know if we can keep it going again, but let's try. I just looked and we started making videos over 2 years ago. But like months can go by without us saying anything. It doesn't matter, it's a nice way to keep in touch. It's fun and it's nice. Like it could be a couple of months and I'll be like, oh, I got a video from Sarah, that's nice. I think it was a fun idea. Like, two cousins, we don't live anywhere near each other, we don't have much in common, but this is fun, making videos, talking to each other, catching up. I don't think anyone else watches our videos, it doesn't matter. I just like hearing from you. And yes, I'm in Spain now. It probably seems like I move around a lot. If you watch my videos, I'm like, hey, I just moved to Pittsburgh, I'm gonna make lots of videos this year telling you what my life is like over here, and then I like get caught up in life and stuff and don't make many videos, and then I like move somewhere else and I'm like, okay, now I'm gonna really start making videos. Hi guys, I just moved to New York. I'm gonna like make lots of videos to tell you what it's like here and show you life and stuff. And then and then now I'm in Spain. I really am gonna try. I'm hopefully here for a year. I've been here for about a month and it's going well. My Spanish needs to improve because I don't understand people a lot of the time, most of the time, and they don't understand me either, but it's going okay. I've made a couple of friends and I love the Spanish culture and just getting to see another place. Yeah, I wish you could come and visit me, but I know there's money and stuff, and same reason that I don't come visit you all the time. But yeah, life is good. It was great to hear from you. Let's try and do this more often. So that's all. I just wanted to say hey. I'm gonna hopefully be making more videos on my single channel, Sophie May Love, but I say that all the time. I don't know. We'll see. I hope you are well and keep in touch.